Hi, it's Mary with the Great Outdoors University. I hope you're enjoying this day. I have an activity that will take some time after you get it set up to observe the results. But all you'll need is either an old soda bottle. I didn't have one of those, but I did have some empty planting pots that I didn't need anymore. And so you'll take some kind of container that you can leave outside in the sun, and you'll fill it with some soil from your backyard or from outside. Not potting soil. You just want to take some from the earth somewhere and put some soil in that pot, and then divide it into fourths and pick 4 objects that you're going to try to watch decompose in that soil. So perhaps you want to use either a slice of the banana peel or even a piece of the banana and compare the two. Some plastic from a plastic bag or a rubber band, or the ring from one of the Keurig coffee pot things, some metal from like a paper clip or soda pop top, and or paper. But pick 4 different things. Don't pick all of them as the leaves or the fruits, but pick 4 different materials and plant them in different sections of the pot. Be sure you label what you put where. And after a week, check those items and see if anything has happened as far as they're decomposing. And then plant them, cover them back up, and check again in another week, and do this for about a month. It'll be interesting to see which of those items decompose. Now, it's important that once you put the soil in there and you cover the items with the soil, give them a little bit of water. Just out of curiosity, look all the water we had from the rain yesterday and last night. So just pour a little bit of water on them and leave them outside in the sun and watch to see what happens. Now, while you're waiting to see the results, be sure you make a hypothesis, an educated guess, as to which one of these objects that you plant or bury will decompose first, and which one will take the longest to decompose. Have fun. I look forward to hearing more about your results.